Hi guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restorations. Today we're going to be inspecting a car that we've just recently purchased and we're going to be restoring. Last night it came into us like this. Right, so next day we're managing to get a good look at it, and the car has come with an absolute shed load of bits inside it. So what we're going to do is we're going to unload that, have a look at what we've got, put it on the ramp and see what she's like underneath. Right, so on first glances, it looks solid. I think even the mouse that's lived here thought so. Right, so the structure, interior, basically the whole car is fantastic. It's much better than we usually buy to restore, strange enough. And this was going to be a parts car, but it's too good. We've found, I mean, we'll show you this structure in a minute and how clean this is on the inside of the car in a minute. We have found a couple of little holes, but they are very tiny compared to what we usually do. Let's show you them now. Right, so let's start at the front. The hole we've actually spotted is just in here. I mean, that is, compared to what we're used to, that is tiny. The rest, there we go, put a light on it. But it's just dirt. If we go up, I mean, look at this seat rail. Nothing on it apart from dirt. And go into the floor pan. Again, the seat mount is a little bit dirty. Perfect. Into the back. I mean, all inside the structure as well is all absolutely spot on. Even down these door pillars, these inner door pillars and the door shuts, is all almost rust free. So now we've had quick wipe down, quick over of it, we can see what kind of condition it is, and it is good. All we need to do now is push it inside, because it don't start, get it on the ramp, see what it looks like underneath. Right, the overall condition of the underneath of this car is fantastic. There are a couple of areas that we do need to address, a few holes on the chassis, on the inner sills, but not much at all. What I'll do is I'll show you them now. You see these chassis rails in good condition? We have found a few holes. As you can see, it's all good. It's got surface rust on it and it does need treating, but it is solid. Now, we have found a hole on the chassis just here, and we can get up here, a hole, yeah, there's a hole there. Yeah, so this section here does need replacing, and there's a big hole there, as you can see, but the rest of the chassis rail, the rest of the sill is in good condition. It's just got surface rust on it. Now, it does look like somebody has tried to protect this at some point, but only half the car, which is bizarre. Now, you can see those mounting points as well, still absolutely spot on. Some of this is so clean. Same this side. We've got good chassis rail, just surface rust until we reach just about here. I'll go to the other side, show you that. If Richard sticks his hand in there, shows you how big it is. See, it's a good size. Now, we've got the same hole on this inner arch section, but somebody's tried to jack the car up, so they've basically folded the sill in. It's not a big problem, we'll just rebuild that, and you can just see that chassis rail there. But you look at things like these spring hanger mounts, absolutely superb. Rest of the sills, absolutely spot on. All the chassis rails as well. Surface rust, but in good condition. I mean, even these brake lines, they're still in serviceable condition. We could just basically clean them up, use them again. I dare say those bolts will just come straight out without an issue. Now, this car does have an engine. We don't know what condition. Look at that. That's superb. We don't know. It's not starting at the moment, the engine, but it is all there. I mean, somebody's tried to clean these arms up at some point. Only on one side, because the other side's not done. But they are still in good condition. Probably could do with the bushings replacing and maybe a few rubber boots on it, but probably the cleanest car we've had to restore for a while. That
a long while.
A long while.
A long while.
A long while.